What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and thank you for tuning into my channel today, YouTube. In today's video, I will be showing you how I achieved this look. I've done this look before, a little bit different. This time I have a lot of swoop game going on. Last time I did it, it was a little bit different. Click the link above me if you want to see that one. It's an older video, so you will see a little bit of a glow up. You will see a little bit of you know, what happens when you do this for a while. You know, I've been doing this YouTube thing for a little while now. But feel free to watch it. But without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, so one important thing to note is that with this hairstyle, I'm doing it on freshly washed hair. I didn't blow dry it and I did not straighten it. You will see in my old video that I told you guys to look at, I did this hairstyle on straightened hair. I prefer to do certain hairstyles with my hair straight or at least blow dried because it's easier to handle. Now, I wanted to show you guys just a difference. So this time I'm doing it with my hair in its natural state. And it was very difficult for me, but I just wanted you guys to see this. In order to work with my natural hair, I had to do everything bit by bit. This is very important because if your hair is like mine, it's very thick and it's impossible to just straight up put it into a ponytail without straightening your hair. So you can see that I put the ponytail in the back first, and then I sectioned off the hair that I'm going to swoop, and then I'm going to work on this middle section and smooth it out so that I can add it to that back ponytail. Doing all of this is very time consuming, but it's worth it because your ponytail will be nice and flat. As you can see, me doing the ponytail section by section made a big difference. Look at how smooth my ponytail looks so far. Oh boy, so this was very hard to do with my hair in its natural state. You'll see in my previous video of me doing swoops how much easier it was for me when my hair was blow dried as opposed to it not being blow dried. So what I did was put gel on my edges, the Eco Styler gel, and look at how much better and smoother my hair is. Yes, this actually made it easier to work with. So now that my arms are almost broken, I have a slick ponytail, and I'm just gonna add some oil. Right now I'm using macadamia nut oil just to put some extra shine in my hair. Look at how glossy that looks. So I attached the braiding hair like a ponytail so that it's above my little nappy bun that I got going on. So I wrapped a piece of hair around everything just so that the bow doesn't show. So from here on out, I'm basically going to be trying to cover up my hair with the braid that I create, and that's where things got really tricky for me. Mind you, if I was just doing my hair the way I prefer to do it, where I straighten my hair or at least blow dry it, I would have been able to just braid in my hair with the braiding hair. But being that my hair is in its natural state and it's very thick, I could not do that without the braid looking a mess. So now I'm just trying to hide the bun, which is just so hard for me. In a few seconds, you'll see that I just ended up taking some string and doing a little design in the back because I could not get it to look the way I want it to look, but it's good for now. This is the end. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and this hairstyle. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I want you to go ahead and do me a big, huge favor and hit that subscribe button down below. Show me some love, show me some support. And I'll be back with you guys again with another freaking video really soon. Bye guys.